In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Mailchimp. We'll start right from the Mailchimp dashboard and walk through designing a clean, conversion-ready page in just a few minutes. First, open your dashboard and click Create. This is your starting point for anything new in Mailchimp. From the options that appear, choose Build Landing Page. That takes you into the setup flow designed specifically for standalone pages. You'll be asked to name your landing page. Pick a clear, descriptive name that tells you the page's purpose at a glance, something like Spring Promo Lead Capture or Webinar Signups. This name is for your own organization, so make it easy to change later. When you're ready, click. Begin to move into the design experience. Next, select a template you like. You can preview each option to see its layout and default sections. Don't worry if it isn't perfect. The template is just a head start. Choose the one that best matches your goal, whether that's collecting emails, promoting a product, or announcing an event. Once the editor opens, head to the Blocks panel. This is where you add and arrange content. Drag in what you need. Images for visuals, text blocks for headlines and body copy, buttons for a clear call to action, and a sign-up form if you're building your list. Keep your layout focused. One main message, one primary action. Use short, benefit-driven headlines and make your button copy specific, like get the guide instead of submit. When the structure feels right, switch to the Style tab. Here you control the overall look and feel. Set your brand fonts and colors, adjust backgrounds, and fine-tune spacing so everything reads cleanly on both desktop and mobile. Use color contrast that passes accessibility guidelines, and keep body text large enough for easy reading. Then refine the header, body, and footer areas so they feel consistent. Logo placement, navigation, if any, and footer details like disclaimers or social icons. For images, compress large files for faster load times and add descriptive alt text. As you work, click. Save and close to commit your changes and exit the designer. You can always return to make edits later, and that's the process. Create, choose, build landing page, name it, begin, pick a template, add your blocks, style the page, fine-tune the sections, and save. Follow these steps and you'll have a professional Mailchimp landing page ready to support your next campaign.